Hello, I'm Tom from Cleaner Exterior and we're based down in Wiltshire. I just want to touch base about a project that we've not long completed. If you're thinking about having your render cleaned, how do you know that your contractor is going to be able to deliver the results that you want? That's a question you should ask. And I would suggest that what you do is you ask your chosen contractor to give you some kind of evidence that they can transform the walls in your house. Because I'm finding in my industry, a lot of people can talk the talk, but very few of them can walk the walk. Now, we're not far from the Somerset borders, and I think, and so do other people that are in my industry, that Somerset has arguably some of the worst renders in the country to clean. One such case, which I will show you a couple of photographs in this video, was a house that a chap had been living in for several years. He wasn't even sure that the wall on his house was cream in colour. It was dirty, it was very dirty in Somerset. It was black, it was red, it had lichens on it. And his wife was giving him a hard time because the house was so dirty and they couldn't decide how they should clean it, if they could clean it. And we got the phone call and I went round and I looked at it and I rose to the challenge of cleaning this house. It's a tough one, but I rose to the challenge. Anyway, the wife said to me, "You'll never clean it, we should just paint it." Now let me tell you this, if you've got a rendered property that's as bad as this one, and I will show you the photograph, do not paint it. Don't paint it, because the dirt and the staining will just come through the paint and it will look considerably worse next time round, only nobody can clean it. Paint it once, you'll always paint it for the rest of its life. So we rose to the challenge to clean this one, and it was a tough one. We were there all day doing one wall. But I'll show you the photographs. Now, when we posted these photographs on our social media feeds, we were accused of photoshopping it. Let me tell you here, there is no photoshopping involved in any photographs which I post on any of our feeds. Whether it's my website, my Facebook, my Instagram, whatever it might be, they are all genuine before, during and after photographs. So you're looking to get some work done in your house, some cleaning, whether it's the roof, the render, the patio, whatever it might be. Most contractors these days can talk the talk, and let's face it, I'm no different, because I am here practicing the talk before I do the walk. So just ask them, what evidence have you got that you can actually transform what I'm asking you to clean? A good contractor, they've got a big portfolio of stuff they've worked on, and they may even, if you ask them, allow you to contact some of their previous customers just for some feedback. So do yourself a favour. Once you've made the phone call, ask for the evidence. The evidence is all important, and I will send up a couple of photographs of just one property that we transferred. Take care.